Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to the Salesian news across the globe. From Rome to Turin, passing through Assisi, there are 14 Italian cities that will be reached in the 3,000 kilometers of itinerary designed by the association Tucum ODV in collaboration with the inter-congregational group Earth and Mission Festival to meet the poor and bring light of Christ among the young. It is an initiative that recovers and reinterprets the traditional liturgical devotional ritual of the Via Lucis, in which the events of the life of Christ and the Church arising from the resurrection of Jesus to Pentecost Oste that was born in 1988 in the 20th group of the Salesian family, the witnesses of the resurrection movement. In addition, in the third stage, the southernmost of Via Lucis in Taranto, the local Salesian family will animate the activities. The Senate of the plurinational state of Bolivia has paid a just and well-deserved tribute to the Salesian University of Bolivia in recognition of its priceless contribution to the higher education of the country's youth and people, achieved through the training of qualified professionals who have contributed and continue to contribute to the development of the Department of La Paz and the entire state. Receiving the certificate on Wednesday, July 13th, with the institution's highest authorities, Father Luis Adolfo Torres Sanginez, SDP, Rector, and Attorney Suzanne Mabel Vargas Salazar, Vice Rector for Academics and Research, who were delighted to receive the Senate's award. The Salesian Institute Youth Projects is a non-profit organization dedicated to improving the lives of South Africa's vulnerable children and youth at risk. It has been providing education, emotional support and skills development training for at-risk young people in Cape Town since 1910. July 15 marks World Youth Skills Day, established in 2014 by the United Nations General Assembly, and we want to present this successful model of Salesian activity for youth. The Salesian Institute Youth Projects is changing lives. Youth that was previously sitting at home, unable to find employment or support themselves, are learning the skills needed to get jobs and are beginning their careers. In a mission country like Mongolia, where there are about 1,300 Catholics out of a population of more than 3 million people, remembering one's roots and joining forces with all those involved in evangelization are two fundamental attitudes to be able to continue sowing the gospel message. That is why the Salesians present in Mongolia were pleased to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Catholic Church presence in Mongolia with the rest of the country's small ecclesial reality. Two Salesian deacons from the Africa Great Lakes Vice Province AGL, John Bosco Bizia Remhie and Samuel Habumu Gisha, were ordained priests by the Archbishop of Kigali, Cardinal Antoine Kambanda. The superior of the AGL Vice Province, Father Pure Celestin Ngoboka, and his council and many Salesians and diocesan priests accompanied the Cardinal to the altar. Many Salesians, members of the Salesian family, consecrated collaborators and young people were also present. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.